Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We put a 2.5-inch Rough Country Series 2 lift on it, some 20x9 RD08 wheels, also known as Red Dirt Road Crawlers, and some 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. This Rough Country Series 2 lift, it's a 2.5-inch lift and it's real simple to install. It doesn't get much simpler. You retain your factory shocks and springs. And all that it is it's a 2.5-inch steel spacer that goes on top of your springs. And then you have shock adapters to increase the length of your shock. They supply you with a rear track bar relocation bracket, and they supply you with brake line drop brackets. Besides that, it's a piece of cake, something you can easily do in your driveway. And if you're thinking about lifting your Jeep, this is a great lift to start with because you can install it, and if you decide you don't like it, then take it right back off and put everything back to factory specs. So, if you have any more questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call at 833-268-2577, or even shoot us a text. And if you want to order any of these parts directly through us, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we'd love to get these parts shipped out to you. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Have a great day.